Hello dear students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to teach you chapter 7, The Colorful North, and in this video we will cover topic Delhi and Chandigarh. This is part 1 of social studies. Yes, let's begin with a good thought. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. There are many big cities in India. In this lesson, we will read about some cities in North India, about Delhi and Chandigarh. Delhi is situated along the banks of River Yamuna. The official name of Delhi is National Capital Territory of Delhi and NCT. This is the short form of National Capital Territory. N means national, C means capital, T means territory of Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. The city was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Delhi shares its border with Uttar Pradesh in the east and with Haryana on the other three sides. Yes, see the location of New Delhi in the map of India. Here it shares its boundary with Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Delhi is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow in the month of May and June. It rains between July and September. Rainy season and winter season, you can see the pictures. The main offices of the government of India are located in New Delhi. The highest law making body is also here. It is called the Parliament. जो मेन ऑफिसेज हैं गवर्नमेंट के वो न्यू दिल्ली में लोकेटेड हैं और हाईएस्ट लॉ मेकिंग बॉडी भी यहीं पर लोकेटेड है. एंड व्हाट डू वी कॉल दिस हाईएस्ट लॉ मेकिंग बॉडी? दैट इज कॉल्ड पार्लियामेंट. The governments of other countries also have their offices in Delhi. These are known as embassies or high commissions. जो दूसरी कंट्रीज की जो गवर्नमेंट्स हैं उनके ऑफिसेस भी दिल्ली में हैं एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड एम्बेसीज और हाई कमीशंस. In Delhi, one can meet people from different parts of our country. They live and work here in Delhi. They speak different languages. Thus, we can call Delhi a mini India. इंडिया की जो डिफरेंट स्टेट्स हैं वहाँ से बहुत सारे लोग दिल्ली में रहते हैं. सभी स्टेट्स में कुछ ना कुछ लोग दिल्ली में रहते हैं. तो इसीलिए हम डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के पीपल को से मीट करते हैं, मिलते हैं दिल्ली में. तो इसीलिए दिल्ली को मिनी इंडिया भी कहा जाता है. द मैन वेयर ट्राउजर्स एंड शर्ट्स. द वीमेन वेयर सलवार कमीज, saris, jeans, shirts, and other dresses. Delhi has various main means of public transport. The Delhi Transport Corporation, DTC, the short form D means Delhi, T means transport, C means corporation, operates thousands of buses. Every day, lakhs of people travel by the metro train. There are many monuments to see in Delhi. The Red Fort and the Jama Masjid was built by Shah Jahan. On 15 August, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort every year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unfurls national flags from Delhi from Red Fort in Delhi on the occasion of Independence Day. And whenever the Prime Minister changes after 5 years, at that time, the person who become the Prime Minister that always unfurls the flag on Red Fort every year on 15 August. Other interesting places to visit are Rajghat, Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, Jantar Mantar, India Gate, Qutub Minar, Lodhi Gardens, Lotus Temple, Akshardham Temple, and Delhi Hat. Chandni Chowk is a famous and busy market here. Yes, this is the picture of India Gate, Jantar Mantar, Delhi Hat, Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, Akshardham Temple. Let's recall about Delhi. The city is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. Delhi is located on the river bank of Yamuna. It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. There are two parts of Delhi: Old Delhi, which was the capital of Mughal emperor named Shah Jahan, and New Delhi, which was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. दिल्ली के टू पार्ट्स हैं. एक ओल्ड दिल्ली है जो मुगल एम्परर ने बनवाई थी और उसका नाम था शाहजहां. एक न्यू दिल्ली विच वाज प्लान्ड बाय सर एडविन लुटेंस. Now important government offices and embassies are located here. The city is called Mini India as people from different states live and work here. दिल्ली को मिनी इंडिया भी कहते हैं क्योंकि डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के पीपल भी यहाँ दिल्ली में रहते हैं और वर्क करते हैं. So we can meet different people of different states in Delhi. That is why it is known as Mini India. It has a good transport system such as DTC, Delhi Transport Corporation, that operates thousands of buses and the metro service. Now topic Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory. It is the capital of two states, Punjab and Haryana. चंडीगढ़ एक यूनियन टेरिटरी भी है और एज वेल एज ये टू स्टेट्स की कैपिटल भी है. फर्स्ट वन इज पंजाब एंड सेकेंड वन इज हरियाणा. दिस इज द कॉमन कैपिटल. चंडीगढ़ इज द कॉमन कैपिटल ऑफ पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. Chandigarh is a well-planned city designed by a French architect named Le Corbusier. Chandigarh is divided into many sectors. Chandigarh. People speak here Punjabi, Hindi, and English. Summers are very hot and winters are very cold of Chandigarh. Many people visit the famous rock garden created by Nek Chand. This is the picture of rock garden and this is made by Nek Chand. It is made with discarded material. It has colorful people, trees, houses, and animals all made from discarded materials. Another tourist attraction in the Zakir Hussain Rose Garden. It is one of the biggest gardens in Asia. This is the Zakir Hussain Rose Garden. It is located in Chandigarh. Chandigarh has more than 1,000 varieties of roses. Sukhna, yes, Zakir Hussain Rose Garden is having thousands varieties of roses, and Sukhna Lake is also a famous tourist spot in the city. Sukhna Lake is very popular here in Chandigarh. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.